Nowadays, we are more prone to accidents, especially to natural disasters. Yes, and it's all because of climate change. We are in the midst of survival. Forests have been formed by individuals who have both lived and died by being trapped in places. Without food and water for days, how did they survive? To do the experiment, you have to feast off. Don't you know that Sarah Miles, a British actress, drank her own urine for over 30 years in the belief that it immunized her against allergies? And Madonna also explained to talk show host David Letterman that she urinates her own feet to help cure her athlete's food problem.
So, see, it's not only in means of survival, but also in curing and therapy.
We will use the glass container that is glued at the middle part of the casserole, which will collect the evaporated urine. Fire for the boiling and cover to the trap with evaporated urine. You can observe that we use the cover upside down for the vapor to slide down and trap to the middle. We shall also use a low fire to prevent the glass from breaking. Urine is not, as many believe, the excess water from food and liquids that goes through the intestines and is ejected from the body as waste. It is much different and much more. As the blood circulates, it passes through the liver where toxins are removed and later excreted from the body in the form of solid waste. Eventually, this is now purified, clean. Blood makes its way to the kidneys. When blood enters the kidneys, it is filtered through an immensely complex and integrated system of minute tubules called nephrons, through which the blood is literally excluded at high pressure. This filtering process removes excess amounts of water, salts, and other elements in the blood that your body does not need at a time.
That's the yuckiest thing I have done. The ones who died probably could not overcome the misinformed thought that urine is a waste product of the body. It's not. Just a substance that body secretes does not elements that's not needed at the time.
Can we taste it?
Sure. stairs using bikes like we often see in the movies?
How did he do it? Let's see. Notice how he hold and control the handles, the force he exerts backward, and how he rides steadily towards the stair. He didn't sit, right? Why? Because this will await the front wheel and allow you to go more smoothly over the stairs instead of knocking the first stair. The answer is yes, we can do it. Some warnings are: always stand up when riding the stairs. No matter what bike you're using, it will always hurt if you sit down when riding stairs, and it reduces your control as well. Be absolutely certain that the brakes on your bike work well, the handlebars are tight, and the tires are properly inflated.
Who among us then will feel the dizziness effect first? The one in the center or the one turning around? Let's find out!
At our first attempt, no one felt the dizziness at all, so we have to go to the second round. For our second attempt, the one in the middle is the first one who felt the dizziness. The one in the middle again who feels first the dizziness effect. And for the final, it's really the one in the middle who will first to feel the dizziness effect. Dizziness is the false sensation of movement or spinning. Dizziness is often accompanied by a loss of balance or nauseated feeling. There are mechanisms in the inner ear that help the body sense position and control balance. This state of balance is called equilibrium. Dizziness occurs when the body's equilibrium is upset. Most often, dizziness passes quickly and the cause is unknown. Inside your ears are tubes filled with liquid. The liquid moves when you move, telling your brain what position your body is in. When you spin, the liquid also spins. The liquid continues to spin after you stop. Your brain thinks you're still spinning, so you can continue to feel that everything is going in circles until the liquid stops moving.